Asbestos is a naturally occurring mineral fiber. Because of its natural resistance to fire, heat, and electricity, asbestos has and continues to be used in thousands of different materials. These materials include automotive products such as brake pads and building materials such as flooring, ceiling texture, and plasters.
Because of the microscopic nature of asbestos fibers, once airborne they can be easily inhaled. Exposure to asbestos can lead to asbestosis, mesothelioma, and several forms of cancer. Asbestos-containing materials in good condition, if left alone, should not pose a danger. However, if you are planning to renovate or disturb these materials, harmful cancer-causing fibers can be released into the air unless you take special precautions.
If you are planning to renovate or demolish a structure, federal and state requirements may apply. Missouri-certified asbestos inspectors should be contacted if demolition or renovation activities are planned in regulated structures. If removal or major repairs are needed, people trained and qualified in handling asbestos should also be contacted.
Activity in areas containing damaged material that may contain asbestos should be avoided to minimize exposure and the release of additional fibers. Also, dusting, sweeping, or vacuuming debris containing asbestos should be avoided. If you cannot avoid walking through these areas, clean the area with a wet mop to minimize dust.
The Missouri Department of Natural Resources must be notified about all projects where greater than 160 square feet, 260 linear feet, or 35 cubic feet of regulated asbestos-containing materials will be removed, and for all regulated demolition projects regardless of whether asbestos is present or not. The department regulates demolition and renovation projects involving institutional, commercial, public, industrial, or residential structures, installations, or buildings. The only exception to this regulation is for a single residential structure that contains 4 dwelling units or less. Enforcement of the asbestos regulations is also delegated to 4 local agencies in the state. These local agencies are the health departments in Kansas City, St. Louis City, St. Louis County, and Springfield-Greene County. If a project is to occur in one of these jurisdictions, you should check with that local agency for additional requirements. For more information about the asbestos regulations, contact the department at 573-751-4817 or toll free at 800-361-4827.